Hi, I'm Mary Catherine, Teen Librarian at Cape May County Library, and I'm going to show you how to use this template to create a monster bookmark. So the first thing you're going to need is this template, which you can get at the library. You can stop by the Teen Space and we'll give you one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut out each individual piece of the template as you feel you need. So I already did that. So I have here the main pieces of the template that I'm going to use. You can also cut out the circles if you want to, or you can use something like a hole punch. The other things you're going to need are a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. You also can use something to help you crease your folds. So the first thing that I'm going to do once I have my template cut out is I'm going to choose my paper. You're going to want to choose bright colored papers, but you can really do any color paper that you want. You're going to trace the templates. And then cut them out. You can choose to cut all your pieces ahead of time or as you go for the decorations. This is the main template that you need. Once you have this piece cut out, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to fold this pointy piece across and into the corner, like so. And you're going to fold this piece on top of it. Like so. You're going to use your glue stick to stick these two pieces together. Make sure that you don't get glue on the inside where you're going to put it on your book. And now you have that. Next thing you're going to do is choose another color paper, or you can leave this. Yellow is fine too. I'm going to go ahead and cut out a square of the same size to glue on there so I can have a different color. I cut it a little bit smaller so I'll still have a little bit of an edge. On this side, I'm going to make my monster face. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this darker color purple and cut a circle out. For my eye, for fun, I'm going to go ahead and use the hole punch to get different colors to put this I just found in the hole punch, so I can use some of this red circle for the center of the eye. I was going to use this paper, but changed my mind. No big deal. That's the fun thing about being creative and doing crafts. I am going to use this paper to make my teeth. You can either use all these template pieces, or you can be creative and just do a freestyle, add your own flair. This is the simplest process, but you can use markers, glitter, googly eyes, anything you really want to be creative. If you're not feeling the monster, you can use the same pattern to make another corner bookmark that is of whatever design you choose. Sorry, I'm cutting off camera. Apparently he only has a few teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue at the top here, slide it underneath. And there you have just a little monster bookmark, which you can use to keep the space in your book by just sliding it on the corner, and there is your bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this little craft tutorial, and hopefully we'll have more. Again, you can pick up the template in the teen space at the courthouse location, or you can stop by any other location and ask them for a template. Thanks so much.